So this is a video I'm genuinely excited to be doing because this is life-changing and you're going to thank me. We're going to be going over a couple of different styles of outlet box cutout tools. So the first one I'm going to cover quickly is the outlet guide box from Handymark. Now this only works on your standard blue boxes. What you do is it clicks onto the front of the box, you put your drywall up, you press your drywall into it, and these pins leave an impression. You then take the drywall down, retrieve your tool, connect the dots on the impression in the drywall and cut it out and then hang it back up. So a couple downsides. One, it only works on your standard rectangle square boxes. You can't use this on a round outlet box, and you can't use this on a double gang or 3-gang box. Plus, you have to put the drywall up, take it back down, and then put it back up again. Not real convenient. Now the one I'm excited to introduce you to is the outlet guide from Multimark. It's a magnetic style. Now this will work on both round boxes and the rectangle boxes. On single gang, double gang, triple gang, whatever you have, this one device will do it all, and I'm going to show you how. So with the Multimark setup, you get a couple of these magnetic pieces. So what these do is, as you see, they have two tabs, one top, one bottom, and they're spring loaded. So these will work on your older style metal boxes. They'll work on the newer style blue boxes. They'll work on a round outlet box. Whatever you have, these will work. So to use this, we simply insert these tabs into the screw holes of the outlet box. And again, it's spring loaded, so it'll fit any size box you have. So I just compress it down until I'm in the next hole, and that's how it installs. I then take the other side of the magnetic piece, fish around the wall until it snaps into place, and then you trace the appropriate pattern. If we're on a round outlet box, we'd be tracing the outside. If we're on a rectangle one, we trace the inside with the corners. Now how this works on single gang, double gang, round or square is real simple. Again, these magnetic pieces go into screw holes. So on a round box, you have two screw holes there as well. You simply install this into those screw holes. If we had a double gang box, I would have this in one set of screw holes. I'd have the next magnet in the next set. And if I had a third gang, I'd have a third magnet in the next set. And then I just take the tracing tool, snap it into place, trace it, go over to the next magnet, trace it, go over to the next magnet, trace it, and then cut that out. Now another great benefit to this is you're not moving the drywall twice. You're going to put these magnets in your outlet boxes, you're going to hang the drywall, cut them out, and then through the hole that you just cut out, retrieve your magnet. So there's no need to move the drywall twice. That's especially beneficial when you're doing a ceiling. I personally have used this on rectangle boxes, single and double gangs, and round outlet light fixtures in the ceiling. It works awesome. I can't say enough about this, and I think you're going to love it too. So now let's see this in action. So there's the target box. You see the screw holes where the electrical outlet itself will attach. Those are the holes we use to put in the magnet. And again, it's spring loaded, so I just compress it down and push it in there. So we didn't go crazy here, just put enough screws in to hold the panel up there while we now trace out this outlet box. So now that our drywall's up, we just take the magnet around, and right there, it's snapped over. And you'll be able to tell if you're only on half it, if you're only on the upper or bottom piece, because it'll either fall or sometimes it snaps itself right around. But it really snaps right into place there. So I know both magnets are on, and now I'll trace out the appropriate pattern I need. So we're doing a square box, so we're just gonna trace out the square. If we were doing a round box, we would trace out this outer round. I have used this on ceiling boxes and things, and it works beautifully. And again, another positive to this style over the pin punch is I don't have to take the drywall back off to cut it out and put it back on. Once we have it all cut out, go ahead and remove our drywall, and right there's our outlet box. And the pattern that you're cutting out is way small enough, your outlet cover absolutely covers this. On these old metal boxes, it looks like the hole is oversized. It's not. It's just these old metal ones are smaller, which is why the pin punch type won't work. But now I can just remove my magnet, and we're done. So again, this is the Multimark magnetic cutout pattern. I highly recommend it. There'll be a link in the video description down below on where you can purchase this, or visit my Amazon store at amazon.com/shop/rednecktech. And as always, I really appreciate the support. Thanks for watching.